Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. You know it's the Discover Boss, Rush, and you're back on the Rush Raymore reviews. So right now we're outside of the Petroleum Corporation of Jamaica. That's where we're starting the video today. So that's the PCOJ building right in front of us. What we're doing today, I know you'd have already seen it in your title. We're checking out the RUTHVEN Towers. That's an apartment complex on RUTHVEN Road right here in New Kingston. They have been under construction probably what, 2 to 3 years. They're not yet finished, but they're getting there. So we're just gonna take some quick glimpses and see the progress of the work right here on the RUTHVEN Towers. So that's where we're heading right now. So first of all, you guys must know the drill by now. If you're new to the channel, if you have watched quite a few videos and haven't yet subscribed, if that subscribe button is still showing red, subscribing is free, so just join the family. Remember to like the video, that helps YouTube to push it to new person. Remember to share the video and leave a comment. That also helps the video to get pushed to new people as well. Also go over to my Instagram page, Raymore Reviews-Jamaica. I'll put the link in the comments as well. So RUTHVEN Towers, that's where we're heading. Alright guys, so we're heading around to RUTHVEN Road right now. A little traffic build up, not sure what's the cause. So this video is being recorded on a Saturday, and in New Kingston Saturday is a lot less than in the week. So yeah. Alright, so this is RUTHVEN Road right here. Taking this left turn, and then boom, right in front of us. I know the sun may be shining in your eyes a little bit, but right in front of us is the RUTHVEN Towers. I know a lot of persons have been waiting for the completion to see what it looks like, to see what the inside design is like. We haven't been able to see much on this development in terms of finished look, inside look, and stuff like that. So I've done quite a few videos on this project. I'll put probably the first video I've done so you guys can see where it's literally coming from. But right now there's not much to show in terms of the progress of the work. So we're just gonna stop right over this little cul-de-sac which has a few apartment complex, and then I'll just show you guys a few glimpses because not much additional work is on the RUTHVEN Towers. They seem to be moving a very slow right now. I'm not sure if it's because they're almost finished. They're moving so slow, but yeah. Right in front of us is another apartment complex, a much older one, built years ago. Still standing though. And then we have a lot of modern ones coming on stream right now. So for RUTHVEN Towers, most of the scaffolding is off the building, so you see a cleaner look, a better look. We've discussed the colors before. Not personally a fan of the color. It's like a dark brown with a lighter brown, then it's like a creamish color. I don't like the color. We spoke of that before. So we're not here to bash the color, because I know we've bashed the color. But yeah, that's showing you guys a better glimpse of the RUTHVEN Towers. So eventually, I think it should be 3 towers like this on the complex, a very big complex previously owned by the Jamaica Constabulary Force or the government. I know they started their perimeter wall. They're gonna have underground parking. They're gonna have dragging trail, pool, gym, convenience store on site. Right here in the middle of New Kingston. Great location. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 floors. Yeah. So that's basically the RUTHVEN Towers. Not much has changed, to be honest. But again, just showing you guys a glimpse. Not even sure if I want to come outside because I'm still in my car. But I'm just going to park a little bit to give you guys a few other shots because they're moving really slow, to be honest. Because I pass this area quite frequent. And not a lot of work has changed. So they are moving slow. No question about it. Alright, so let me give you guys a few glimpses. Alright guys, so that's it. The RUTHVEN Towers, RUTHVEN Road, New Kingston. Remember to leave your comments. Remember to subscribe. Alright guys, so there you have it. Some outside glimpses of the RUTHVEN Towers apartment. Remember to leave your comments. Comment on the progress of the work, the color, you know, the whole works. Let me know what your thoughts are. So this is the entire length of the complex that I'm going to cover now. Very huge land space. So this side right here is still occupied by the Jamaica Constabulary Force, so they will be relocated. It's one of the branches, and the land continues all the way over this side. So very good land space. Still covering the land. Still covering the land, and then it ends right here. So it's a massive complex, you know, to hold three or more towers. I know the information keep changing, so at one point they said 4, one point they said 3. So as time go by, we'll see how it works out. So RUTHVEN Road, RUTHVEN Towers, just another update. Remember to like, comment and share, guys. And again, I appreciate all the support. And thanks for watching another video.